Hey everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to add fractions together, and this is a beginner level video. So this is for people who have never really added fractions together or have little experience and want to practice a bit more and get some better understanding. So starting with question number 1, we have 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3, or otherwise known as 1/3 plus 1/3. And the first thing you're going to want to do when adding fractions is make sure that they have the same denominator. So the denominator is the number on the bottom of the fractioning. In this case it's 3. And today we're going to be working with questions that all have the same number on the bottom. So it's not something you have to worry about today. But when you're tackling other questions, make sure the denominator is the same. And I do have a video on changing the denominator, so I'll link it down below if you want to check that out. So back to the basic fractions, we have 1/3 plus 1/3. And now we know the denominator is the same on both of them. We need to add the top number together. And you keep the bottom one the same because you can think, well, it's out of 3 or it's over 3. Both of the numbers are over 3. So you keep the bottom part consistent and you add the top numbers. So adding the top numbers, we had 1 plus 1. So that's going to give us 2 over 3. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. The rule is that you just add the top numbers. You don't do anything to the bottom numbers. But the bottom numbers have to be the same if you want to add the fractions. Okay. So I'll go through number 2 as well, and then hopefully give you a better understanding and you can give 3 and 4 a go. So question number 1, we have 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4, or 1/4 plus 2/4. Now, like I said before, the denominators are the same, so that's fine, and they're going to be over that denominator when you add them. So we know we're going to have a 4 on the bottom, and on the top we're going to have 1 plus 2, so we add 1 and 2 together, that's going to give us 3. So our final answer is going to be 3 over 4, or 3/4. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. If you want to give question number 3 a go, please feel free to pause the video now. So we have 2 over 7 plus 4 over 7. And that is going to be equal to, well, hopefully you've had a chance to pause the video and give it a go. That is going to be equal to 6 over 7 because we're adding a 2 and 4, and that's going to be over 7, okay? Next up, we have question number 4. So please feel free to pause the video and give it a go. This one's a little bit harder because you'll see that they're going to add up to more than the bottom number, but I'll let you kind of work that out if you give it a go. So we have 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3, so 2/3 plus 2/3. Now we're just going to use the normal technique of adding the top numbers. So we have 4 on the top and we have 3 on the bottom, so the final answer is going to be 4 over 3. And that's basically all you have to do. That's the basics of adding fractions. If you do have any comments or questions, you can always just drop them down below and I'll explain a bit further there. But hopefully that all makes sense. Hopefully it was clear. If you do have any comments or questions, just let me know down below and I'll get back to you there.